Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. Today we have with us in our midst the General himself, aka AJ, everybody known as Aquino from A. Ibang's Equipment Rental Hardware and Construction. This is the man himself who's behind Truckfest 2024. You understand? We are keep October the 21st at Luana, St. Elizabeth. You understand? So, AJ, what go on, my brother?
Yeah, man, there.
I see you, see you. So tell you what go on, no? For Truckfest this year, no?
Alright, for this year, Luana Truckfest, you know, we have a title sponsor, LIG.
Jaja. Proud sponsor, LIG, yeah?
The proud sponsor of this wrap.
Yeah.
Have the truck fully custom, ready to showcase. They'll be setting up a booth at the truck show. They'll be having parts for sale, oils for sale. They can get quotations for everything, anything at all that they want. Right there and then. We're doing a bit of difference with the kitchen this year because persons always complaining about the kitchen. So what we'll be having over 5 different food vendors. Yeah. So you won't have any complaint as in regards to the kitchen. We have added a few more categories. Yeah. So, you know, you are the man of the show, best shifter. We're going to have a female shifter this year. A female shifter? Yeah, man. That's your word. My brother once did it bad up last year, year before last year, boy, what's the now, man? Money seed, Jaja. But, yeah, man, we're going to have a female shifter this year. We're going to have some flame shooting contests. Yeah? Yeah, man, we have about 3 trucks already lined up for that. Flame shooting contest. Yeah. We're going to have this truck doing some burnout and some flames also. So what are you running at this truck, AJ? C15, man. Top it. What do you mean? We just rebuilt up. And I prettiest cat out here right now. Alright, we're going to see what is what. So as it relates to prizes, first prize and second prize. First place is 150,000. Judge, I'm going to roll out your L10, you know? Because, you know, it's all about the trucks. We don't charge the trucks to come in. Yeah. So we are trying to make everybody come and feel comfortable. Yes, you have to incorporate everybody. Free, yeah. So we just want everybody to feel comfortable. Yeah. And we even added a few more categories. So you have like international truck would have one. Yeah. You know, international is a very common truck out there. So we have the cleanest international and then the cleanest international dump truck. Yeah. And that goes to all of the major truck categories. Same way. Yeah, man. So you can expect a lot of new things. The event are going to run much smoother throughout the day. So we're not going to really have much. Yeah, man. And reverse competition. Yeah, that's a new category added. But reverse competition, yeah. It's always here now, but it wasn't highlighted. In the evening and then highlighted. So we're going to try to have it from like 3 o'clock. So you know, so must come out early. Same way. And it'll be using a 20-foot container this year. So what time the event will be started? Already truck the gates are going to open at 12, but you know, trucks are going to start coming in from the night before. At least 4 trucks confirmed to be there from the night before. And by 1-2 o'clock, we're supposed to have majority of the trucks on site. Yeah. As it relates to prices now per ticket. Alright, the pre-sold tickets $2,000. You can check out our Instagram page at Truckfest.ja. Yeah. You will see all of the ticket locations and they are going very fast. Very fast, same way. Some locations they are completely sold out. Already. Yeah, and give me some of the locations them now. Alright, in Westmoreland we have Billings Auto, Chucky's Auto Supply, Moby, we have Northern Industrial, Clarendon Town and Country, same way. St. Elizabeth, Sandy Ground Gas Station, Willap, and in Kingston we have LIG and every trucking thing. Yeah, what do you mean? And you want to tell them say it's a family fun day thing, you know? Family event, it's very family friendly. You don't have to worry about the safety of your children, they're at one side. Yeah. Totally barricaded off. We have go-karts, bouncer bound, trampoline. The whole works. We have an obstacle course. We have everything. So you can just come out and enjoy yourself. Alright people, so you hear it first, you understand? Right here. So anyhow, we're going to take in Kilo same way in the idea and make it. Let's see how you ship and sitting because everybody no matter say I want bad C15 night now. So let's see how it. So Kilo, up and out. Truckfest 2024. So remember that in the people. You understand? October 21st, Luana, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, that's just out of the total gas station. So come out early. You hear that? It's a family event. We don't want to go too late. So come out early. Up and clicking. Alright. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, like a concrete boy. Yeah.
a prop. Oh, yeah, like a concrete, yo. Smooth, yo.
Yeah, smooth.
General bus, yo.
That guy about 10C.
Yeah.
16-year-old.
Yeah.
And he put me right up. And he said we can change the gear, he don't blow me alone.
He just left you.
Yeah, man, and he said no matter what, just always try out. The only thing that we never argue about.
Yeah.
No matter what, always should be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and from that, we just try to maintain the thing.
Yeah, we.
That's 18, 13, anything like that. And try to try something now.
Any one of them?
Yeah, man, just take time. And never bust up a gearbox yet. Never had no form of gearbox problem.
Wait, you never take a gear and like gearbox?
Yeah, never take a gear. They have a small leak and we never pay no mind.
Yeah.
And burn up the back of the gearbox. And just use the whole complete back off. Yeah. But that was totally my fault still because lack of maintenance.
Yeah.
So, my time certain things that we have, we take things serious. Machine.
Yeah, man, bad. Prop, yo. I seen a prop. Yeah, man. I said that the other day. Yeah, you never change him. Yeah, man, you come like a barber, you know. Yeah, just not say you're barber, that you just sit down and chair the barber, know what you do.
Man, I'm here too. If truck have a different mechanic than the Kenyan.
What you say to me?
Yeah, man, the Kenyan have faith one. Yeah, man.
See, you use the Kenyan mechanic for the Nash.
No.
Why you not using him, boy?
Yeah, man. And for 1 month salary for the engine.
Yeah.
And he get a good job.
Yeah.
Everything go like
that. Same way.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you don't make the next man come try to figure out the next man problem.
Never.
normal thing that.